My name is Jasmine and I am a women's life coach, a YouTube content creator, the author of Manifest Like Bliss, and a podcast host. And 3 months ago, I started coaching with Erica because I was ready to take that next step forward into my business and make my first 10K month, which is something I'd been working towards for a long time already. And also, I wanted to be on the path to truly creating my six-figure business, which is something I desired for a long time as well. And so when I started working with Erica, she helped and guided me to create my first signature and soulful program, which all spots filled out within 2 weeks. And doing this program has really gotten me into more alignment with my purpose. And it was just so exciting, amazing, and really fulfilling as well. And also while working with Erica, I was able to take on my first long-term coaching client because Erica really believed in me. She gave me extra confidence to really put myself out there and trust in my gifts and my strengths, and to trust that I am serving by putting myself out there. And then the biggest achievement I got while working with Erica is that by the end of our 3 months together, I was able to call in my first 10K month. And this is a goal I'd been working towards for the past 2 years while growing and building my business. And she was able to get me to this goal within 3 months of working with her. So Erica is really an incredible coach. There's a reason why she is called the International Coach of the Year, and she achieved that award, and I'm really grateful to have been able to work with her. She is truly encouraging. She allows you to believe in yourself, and she is the best coach I have ever worked with. And she will really be able to help you reach your goals as well. She gave me so much accountability, lots of strategies that I didn't have 3 months ago, and I learned so much about business just working with her as well. She is a mentor to me, an inspiration, and I'm so thankful to be able to have worked with Erica.